Hey guys, Greg Mercer here from Jungle Scout, and today I want to talk about a question we get very often, and that is, how much money do I need to start an Amazon business? In order to estimate how much money we're going to need to start our Amazon business, let's make a few assumptions. One is that we're doing the private label model and ordering our product from a factory in China. Two, let's assume that we can land this product in the States for $3 or $4. Before we make our larger initial order, let's plan on having to order a couple samples from the factories in China to verify quality. This normally runs about $50 or $75 per sample if you include shipping, so let's be conservative and factor in $150 for this. After we've chosen our factory, we're gonna need to place an initial order. Let's plan on ordering 500 units to start. Now, 500 units might seem like a lot of inventory for some of you guys, but actually, Amazon's so powerful that oftentimes it's pretty easy to sell 500 units. A couple of things that you may be able to do yourself so you won't have to pay anyone for it would be package design and photos. Now, if I was on a tight budget, I'd probably hire someone off of Fiverr to do my packaging design. You can often get it done for $5 or maybe $10. And your photos, you can actually take pretty good photos yourself with an iPhone and some proper lighting. If you have a little bit more money to get started with, then you might want to plan on hiring a professional to do both of these things for you. So let's plan on spending $250 if we're going to pay for someone to do these. If we add up all of our costs so far, we're almost at $2,000. With $2,000, you can easily get started on Amazon. If you don't have $2,000 to spend to get started, I would recommend using AliExpress to find your inventory. On AliExpress, you can place smaller orders and therefore try starting out with 50 or 100 units. There's plenty of items that you can get off AliExpress that sell well on Amazon that are only a few dollars to order from the factory. Now, $2,000 or even $1,000 might seem like a lot to you, but keep in mind you're investing in a long-term business. These risks can be minimized by doing proper product research and verifying that there's existing demand before you place your order. Remember, we're shooting for 100% return on investment for any product that we buy, so if we do invest $2,000 to get started, we're planning on making $2,000 in profit. Thanks for watching today, and if you want to find out more, we've put together a great ebook for you that covers everything we talked about in this video and more. Oh yeah, and don't forget to subscribe.